how to set up recurring tasks on monday.com. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick video. It's a little bit harder than some other automations, but it's not that hard when you just follow along, because it's a bit more complicated than, for example, just changing the status to done and it will be moved to this. No, it's a little bit harder. So the very first thing that you want to do is add another column. So you want to add another status column. So you have status this one and status 1. So I'm going to call this recurring. Then I'm going to click on here, edit labels. I'm going to remove these and call this one recurring and change the color to this color, for example. Now that is done. So what I then want to do is simply click on automate on the top right. So I'm going to click on there and I'm going to create a custom automation. So the automation will be when status changes. So when status changes to done, then you want to click on this plus icon and you want to add and only if status is something. So the status now is recurring and then recurring. So when status changes to done and only if recurring is recurring, then do this. Now, what do we want it to do? Set date to today. Then you want to add another one and add push date. So push the due date, this one over here, by some days. Now, how much or how many days or weeks do you want it? So let's say you want it by 2 weeks. Then you want to click on set. Then you want to click on the plus icon again and then select change status again. So change status to working on it. So that is the automation. So click on create automation. Oh, first I have to select this date, sorry. Then click on create automation. It will now create the automation. So now when I'm done with this task, I can click on recurring. Then I can click on done. And then they will be moved to 2 weeks later. So that is pretty cool, right? So that's exactly what you want to do, and that's how it basically is. So that is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know if it did help you out, and I will see you next time. Have a good day.